Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are preparing fried bitter gourd for lunch. When I was in my hometown, I decided to shoot a few videos as a lot of things were growing in my house. Here are some fresh bitter gourds growing and we decided to pluck a few. Here are few more tiny ones growing. You need to look for them properly because they might be hiding just behind a leaf. See this? Such a tiny one, right? And it's a nice sunny afternoon. Because we do not remove the outer skin of bitter gourds while preparing any recipes for that matter, so it's necessary that we give this a good wash. And now it's time to chop them in your desired size and shape. For that, you need to remove this edges from both the sides and then you can cut them in your desired size and shape. This, by the way, is the commonly used kind of knife that you see in Assam, and we call it kotari. It's always better to cut them in thin slices so that they cook properly. And here we are done chopping all of the bitter gourd. Now in a kadhai, heating up some mustard oil. Bitter gourd needs a little more oil as compared to other veggies. Allow the oil to be heated and then add the bitter gourd. On the other side, rice is boiling. When you cook rice in these kind of a saucepan, you add excess water and then you strain out the excess water once rice is properly cooked. Adding salt as per taste. Giving it a good mix. Cover and allow it to cook. By the way, we are not adding turmeric in this. It was only salt which was added, like salt and oil, and that's it. And from the window we can see this kadhai where we are preparing kolakhar. And once the bitter gourd start changing its color and it's nicely cooked, it is all done. Switch off the flame and transfer it in a plate. Serve this hot along with rice. I wanted to click a few pictures for the thumbnail, and that's why this little bit of arrangement. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.